Hi, I'm Sarah Mendez, and I'm an inspector solderer at RiverSide Integrated Solutions. The wave machine, you basically put the board in and it will flux it on its own, go over the solder pod. It solders the complete bottom side of the board, whereas selective solder, it will flux it, it'll go in, and there will be a nozzle that selectively solders only certain parts of the board. It definitely creates less waste.
As a final inspect operator, I look for any damage to the boards or the parts and make sure that we're meeting the customer requirements before we ship them out.
It really helped me being efficient with time because it is a moving line, so you do run around a bit. You need to be a little more active. You're gonna be on your feet a little more. Once you start to get to know the boards, like you know what problem spots are or if the program needs to be fixed, and like communicate it to either a process tech or an engineer and like give them ideas on how to fix them.
My name is James Yates. I've been working here at RiverSide for about 9 months now. Being a process tech, the hardest part is just the influx of information, but got some great senior process techs that I can go to for support in terms of operating some of the different systems that I'm not super familiar with. It's a bit of a new experience. The responsibilities I have during the day vary. Right now, my main objective is to be properly trained in on the back end of the building, as we call it, where you have your wave machines, you have your SmartFlow, your VersaFlow, your Nordson, things of that nature.
For me, the cool factor would be my coworkers, actually. Most all of my coworkers share a great sense of pride and sense of accomplishment when we do our job well.
I had applied at RiverSide because I do have some previous circuit board experience. A little experience can go a long way. They did provide inspection training and soldering training and various other classes throughout the year that we would work on.
We provide a lot of training. Not only do we have on Paycom video programs that you can do at your station or in another location, we have hands-on training as well as mentoring so that you are not alone until you feel comfortable and ready.
They did give me several opportunities to advance.
I know that there are opportunities to switch into other positions. I used to be on our internal audit team. One bit of advice I would give anybody applying is just do your job to the best of your ability. Try your best.